English की बचा बांधे order संग के command बसंग और के first person second person त खबर कई पर imperative sentence या command no that direction show कई या placement दे उस show कई. The first hello and assalamu alaikum, welcome to Hamid Talash Talks day 13. पर 13 day of Crash Course के दरता यो dear interesting topic मेरा वड़े दे and that is about giving orders in direction. English की बचा बांधे order संग के command बसंग और के और direction बसंग है. Specific vocabulary बरता teach कोम and besides that I am teach you how to give order in the specific structure. उस चिकला order वर्के दगीद पर use के imperative sentences. Yes, imperative sentences are used to give order or direction. Order, for example, go, za, stop, udrega, don't move. But the imperative sentence की subject नाराजी वाली चे subject मुंग पर द्रे किस्म describe को pronoun के मुंग use subject pronoun के मुंग द्रे किस्म लरू first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. नुकले चे first person, second person त खबर कई पर imperative sentence या command की नो पदगे टाइम की स्ट्रक्चर की सब्जेक्ट नहीं यूज कीगी डायरेक्ट बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब या बेयर इंफिनिटिव लगेगी. फॉर एग्जांपल गो आउट, गेट आउट, लिसन टू मी, टॉक टू मी, डोंट मूव, डोंट ओपन योर नोटबुक, डोंट चीट. दैट टोल कमांड्स दी चमुंगे पर इंग्लिश के यूज को और दिस स्ट्रक्चर तप इंग्लिश के इंपेरेटिव स्ट्रक्चर वाई कदे imperative structure सरा please उलगीगी नदाबिया request change कीगी please don't move in the chair या मुंगदा सिमवायु please don't make noise in the class, don't make noise in the class. the order दे the request ताले change कीगी तकरा सरा please उलगे. So please don't listen to the music, please don't fight with your brothers. That's how you have to use what imperative sentences. Who mung daga imperative sentences the direction the para hum istimalu. Us mung sara mukhtalif directions di. For example, in front. For example, between, behind, straight. Your specific less that describe kom the different direction next to. Yo shis chista khwat protwi. Hey, where is my pen? Next to you. No, it is next to you. Simple be orto che next to you. No, that direction show kai ya placement de ushis show kai. The first one is next to. The second one is opposite. Yushis chista makhitawi in front hum mangwartawe leshu. The next word is between. Yushis ch the do pamenskiwi. For example, my chair is between the lights. My chair is between the tables. Between, yushis the do shizuno pomenskivi. Like a start chair day, the do tables pomenskivi. My chair is between the tables. On the corner. The next one is behind. The next one is block. Next one is crossroad. Next one is on the left. The next one is on the right, and you can also say in front of. Where is Ali? In front of the masjid. Where is my book? Next to the table. Where is the coffee mug? It is on the table, or you can say it is next to the table. The dina bagherum to different structure ki da velesh it is between the table and chair. So when you are describing different direction, you should also use imperative sentences. For example, where is the hospital? It is near to the church. Go straight. Go straight. No, the go straight sadai the imperative sentence. The delta subject no the use shave. For example, turn left, turn right. They all are the examples of imperative sentences. But in any lecture ke musas dakdal how to give orders and direction in English, and you can also give or ask for request in the imperative sentences. I hope the lecture was easy and you understood all the things. If still there is any question, paste it in the comment box. I would love to answer you all. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting Hamid Talash Talks. That's your own channel. And just visit to my different social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and you will learn a lot of things from there too. Stay blessed and stay happy.